You guys, it's here! Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's time for my once a year first impressions of makeup because I'm just so great at consistently uploading makeup tutorials. I think the last one was of ColourPop's Zodiac collection, which was like last July. A long time ago, Lady Gaga teased that she may have a beauty line coming in the future, and lo and behold, around maybe the end of June, things started to pop up, and then all of a sudden, Haus Laboratories shows up and says you can pre-order on July 15th. And I did exactly that. I've been a long time Lady Gaga fan. Just, ugh, I love her. Bless you, Mother Monster. I ordered a few things. Didn't get the whole collection because we ain't made money. But I got quite a few. So I got 2 full collections, and the ones I picked will come as no surprise to you whatsoever. I got House of Rockstar and House of Metalhead. Hey! Each of these, when you order a full collection, comes with this adorable bag, and it's got like tinsel glitter inside of the plastic. It's really cool. But each collection comes with 3 things. So you have a Laurette lip gloss, you have an RIP lip liner, and you have a Glam Attack, which is like a liquid sort of eyeshadow, but it's called an all-over color, so you can use it technically anywhere on your face. The internal packaging, it's just a little black box, and then when you open them up, has a pointy pyramid style shaped cap, and then it's like a black to clear gradient on the bottom of the 2. In the House of Metalhead collection, you have the Grip Lip Liner in the shade Ride. This is a Glam Attack in the shade Biker. And Biker is a silvery light gunmetal. I have the Laurette lip gloss. And this one, woo-wee! It's a gorgeous, gorgeous warm mauve color. I can't wait. I'm going to wear that one to work tomorrow. And then in the House of Rockstar kit, we have the Laurette lip gloss. Ooh, and that's in Scream. We have the Rip Lip Liner in Slayer, which Gaga, during their press conference right after the pre-release, she's like, oh, it's because you want to slay the performance. And I'm like, okay, Gaga, we get it. But if you put a blood red lip liner in a collection called House of Rockstar called Slayer, you know that was a reference to Raining Blood. At least I'm going to pretend it is. And lastly, we have this gorgeous Glam Attack in Legend. So Legend is gold. It's almost like a sheer pearly gold. It is absolutely stunning. But independently, I got 2 of the Glam Attack all over colors. We have Glam Attack in Rose Bitch and in Chained Ballerina, which I am wearing on my eyes right now. Sorry for the disorganized chaos, but let's get into some swatches. Let's do this. So I have my Latios and Latios little hand mirror I got at the Pokemon Center in Tokyo. Totally unrelated to this wear test or whatever, but it's cute. This is actually a different setup than what I'm used to for filming, so I had no idea where to put my mirrors. So I have like a giant full body mirror right here just off frame, and then like My little Impressions vanity mirror is sitting right here, like perched on a chair on my makeup trunk case. So who knows how this will work out. I wanted to use colors that typically are troublesome for me in other brands. Any liquid or cream black eye product. I always have issues with them either creasing or just kind of not being dark enough. This is the Glam Attack in Chained Ballerina. Ooh, okay. So just swatching it on my arm. Wow, okay, so you can't really see the shimmer in it until you blend it out. Something tells me just based on the consistency of this, I'm probably gonna either have to add multiple coats or, you know, have to add something with it, like eyeliner. I'm gonna find a brush. Alright, so just in case when I did this eye it didn't focus, I'm gonna go ahead and just film my doing this eye. When I did it on this eye right here, it seemed to blend out much like a powder eyeshadow would. It goes on as a liquid but then sort of changes. And it did blend away some of the pigmentation, so this isn't black, this is more like a gunmetal, which kind of makes me curious about the other shade, Biker, I believe, which is supposed to be the gunmetal gray. So I'm kind of thinking that one might even be an even lighter gray. I'm just going to give a demonstration again on how it goes on. I used this little Eco Tools double-ended brush to blend it out. Look at the difference between these two eyes. This is after it's blended out and dried, and this is freshly applied. It looks like two different products. I think I put more on this eye than this eye, so I'll probably add to it and speed up the footage, because nobody wants to sit here and watch me blend for 3 hours, so... covers really well with concealer, so if you screw it all up like I did, it covers pretty well. And last but not least, the RIP lip liner and the Laurette lip gloss. This is in Scream and Slayer. It's nice and sharp. So this by itself doesn't feel drying, which is nice. This is like a bit more of a creamy formula for a lip liner than what I'm used to. It is nice though. It does transfer a little bit. And I am going to top it with the Laurette lip gloss in Scream. This applicator is so cool. It's like a bent doe foot. This applicator is actually really awesome. The curve feels really good on that bottom lip, and it just follows your lips really easily. So you can see from here, it's not sticky, but it's tacky. So it definitely come off on somebody if you kiss them. Example, my husband, he is not a fan of lip gloss. But honestly, the shine is really nice. This is a thicker lip gloss. It's pretty opaque. The color is beautiful. I've actually never owned a gloss this dark. It takes a little bit of spreading out because it is so thick. This does transfer onto your drinks. It didn't end up around my mouth, which is a blessing. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I love it. I'm gonna do this last because if I screw up my makeup, can't film an intro anymore. But something that bothers me with lip glosses, when you have your regular hair, sure, it gets blown around, but for some reason wigs just want to static cling to your face all the time. So as a result, if you're wearing a gloss that's pigmented or if it's particularly sticky, it'll drag out across your face. Like if part of your wig gets caught in it and you pull it away, it'll leave a streak of dark color. I've had that happen so many times and it'll show up in pictures later and it's just the worst. So I'm gonna do that test really quick with this and my own hair. This will look hilarious, but trust me, it's important. Alright, got some hair stuck in my gloss. You know what? It dragged a little bit, but honestly, that was with a lot of effort. While I'm thinking this does have a streaking factor, of probably about 4 out of 10. This is not as bad as some of the other lip glosses I have tried. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative and I hope I helped with your decision on whether or not you want to purchase the new Haus Laboratories collection or anything from it. I really hope that she expands on this and I'll see you next time. Bye!